All right, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Austin. So translating your book or uploading your book on Amazon on different language can be a challenging stuff if you don't know how to go about it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can upload your book to different marketplaces using their language. You can see here at the category section, we all have this, which we don't even know what they mean, except you are a German or you speak Spanish or Italian or French, any of all this. So now that is what we are going to be doing. So I'll be showing you everything. So I advise you stay to the end, because at the end of this video, I'll be telling you how to get a Canva Pro account so that you can have access to every features on Canva, because you need this Pro to work very effective when it comes to Canva and other stuff. So first thing you want to do is get your document ready. When I mean get your document ready, the document you are about to use, you should have translated it to the desired language. So let's say this is what we have here. This is what I wrote about something. Jennifer Crumley. I wrote a story about her. So now maybe I want to translate this. You can use two ways to translate this, which is very simple. I know you might be wondering, oh, this is for laptop. Don't worry. At the description of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your smartphone as well, so that we can be on the same page. So stick on. Anyway, so from here now we have something very, very key and something very important. So now we're going to go to the tool. Two ways to translate is to use the Google Translate, which is very simple. So to use Google Translate, you're going to come here and say Google Translate. Then it's going to open the site. Search for this one here. Don't use just the first option. Go to the main website, translate.google.com. Over here now we have four options. You can translate a full website link. You can translate a document. Some will say website, which they will ask you for the URL, and I don't advise you do it this way because it can be very, very tax demanding or stressful. So now we're going to start with a test. Let's say you have a simple test you want to translate from English to German. This is what you have. You can say hello. Now let's see how it is. So patiently is going to do auto translate, which we have hello at this place. But that's not what we're going to be doing. We're going to be using documents. So click on document here. You can decide to drag and drop for the PC, or you can browse where it is. So I'm going straight to my desktop because I have something I want to translate. So let me go straight to the desktop here. From here, I'm going to move on. Let's say this is what I want to translate. I'm going to click on enter as a PDF or as a document. Any of these two can work. Either your file is in document or some stuff. So now you've uploaded it. You're going to click on translate, and patiently you're going to wait. Sometimes if your network is bad, it can frustrate you. That's why the second option in translating and translation can be so beautiful. So patiently we wait, and this will be done in no time. While we move on to the second step of translation. Now we have this. We can open translation or we can download. So I want to download this and have a copy already. So now patiently is going to be downloaded. You can see it has been downloaded. I can open a translation without even seeing how it is after being downloaded. So now you can see this translation. This is how it is when biography and how this. So this was not translated. You can see this was not translated, but we're going to go to the download and see what was translated. So now over here, this should be translated. All right. Let's see what's here. Okay. All right. Reserved. No part of this publication. Yes. This should be my own fault. Yes, because I said from German to English, which is not good. It's supposed to be from English to what? German. Yes. So I'm going to translate now. Sorry. So always ensure you toggle very well from English to German and not from German to English, because what I submitted was just. So let's just open now and see, or you can download better still. So now while we wait for this to come up, we're going to have that stuff translated so fast. Now we can see this is what we have. Hooray, we have this all beautifully translated. But I don't know why it's saying machine translated by Google. I don't know if this is going to be on your document. All true. But that's by the way though. That's by the way. But I think when you download it, instead of just opening it, you have a better options. So let me see if I have that watermark at the top. If I don't, okay, you can see I'm having all this document all added machine translated by Google, which is not a good one. That's why I don't advise you use this step, except it doesn't show in yours. So the second one here is to just go straight to the website, which is called in your document. Go straight to your tool. Then you're going to see translate document. Over here, pick the language you want to use. Let's say you want to change to Germany. You're going to move on to Germany, and which is German. Then you're going to hit translate. So over here, you're going to translate to German. Let's say this is a German copy. You're going to say German. So over here, the German, you're going to hit OK. So translate German. Okay. So we're going to translate it. And you're going to open another tab without adding data watermark that he wrote on top. You can see we have a more purer and easier this thing. easier translation. If you want to know if it is correct, all you have to do is copy this like this. Let's see what it really stands. After it has been translated, we'll go straight to this place at the Google Translate website. Then we're going to say, I'm translating this from German to English. So you're going to click on test. Let's see what it gives us, the interpretation it gives us. Then we're going to hit on enter. You can see this is very, very correct. At the English part, from German to English, all right, reserved, no parts. You see, this is very, very, very correct. That is how to know if what you've translated is correct. Now you have your document ready. The next thing you want to do is go straight to the KDP and create the book you want. So we're going to hit on kdpamazon.com. If you don't have an account, you should have an account before watching this video though. So if you don't have an account, you can check my link, then you create a new KDP account. If your account has been terminated before, you can patiently just check the my channel how to appeal it. Within 2 days your account will be reinstated, or you can chat me up, then I'll give you a special guide on how to get back your terminated KDP account. So while I wait for this to come, now I'm going straight to the bookshelf. So over to the bookshelf, we have this. I'm going to click on create. So now we're going to wait patiently for create, and create ebook or paperback. You can pick anyone you feel like. So we're going to click on create ebook, and it's going to open. So when it opens, we move on to the next phase, which is title. The book title should match, but first of all, you can choose your language so that the machine will be able to interpret this very well. So over here now, choose your language. You are changing to German, so we're going to put on German. Then your title. Your title is very key. Remember what we translated to, which is this side. I think this document was translated to German, right? So this is what we have. Now this is my title. I'm going to pick this and say Ctrl C on my system. You know, I told you I'm going to be showing you how to do for smartphone. So patiently just wait. So now from here now, what I'll do now is I'm moving this far closer to this so that I don't have to waste more time. So I'm going to put this paste, this what we have. Then the subtitle, which is optional for those who just forget about it. This is not what I want. I want this guy to be these translations. French, okay. This, let me see what's here. Mother, what's this? Okay, it seems this is what we translated. I don't know if that's French, but anyway, for the sake of this tutorial, let's just focus. So now I'm going to select this now. I'm going to paste this in here. Then it said limit reached because German words can be very, 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 very plenty. So you ensure you know what this means by using the Google Translate and get a very at least remove some parts. This is the 15 that I added. If you check my document very well, I added something like 15 here. You can see it seems from here will not be part of it. So you mean you are going to find a suitable subtitle for the German word so that it can suit that place. Yes, so that it can suit that place. It's good you change. Don't leave it like, don't go and put it at English. Then you can't just leave it this way. So let's just say this is what we have. I just deleted that. Let's say the first place I'm going to just remove this E, which I don't even know why I should remove that. Okay, 0 character remaining. It has entered. Okay, it seems it matched. Okay, reach maximum length of text. So for you to know if it tally well, just copy this and check the translator and see what it gives you. Now we're good to go. You can add your book to series. Series are very important when making some type of books. Yeah, so that when one buy one of your book, you can decide to buy 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of your books as well. So now you add your author, very important, then contributor, then the description is simple. Copy your text in English and translate to the particular language, which is German, then paste it inside here. Ensure it's not an English language. Then I own the copyright. Then this does not compile. There is no nude picture on what I'm doing. So over here now, we're going to move on to the next place. Now, a very important one, please and please and please change your marketplace to the place, change to the marketplace you are translating to. It is very important. If you have your book on English on Amazon.com, don't put the same version, take it to that market. So we're going to use Amazon.de, which is for the German. Then at this category session, which is going to change to that language, means we need to now translate this page to English so that we'll be able to interpret this place. So now what we're going to do now is go straight to Google Chrome extension. This is applicable to smartphone, but I don't know if you can tweak the idea. So we're going to go to Chrome Web Extension, which I think I'll just hit on Chrome Web Extension. Okay, Chrome Web Extension is going to open. At the Chrome Web Extension, we'll go straight to the website. Then we're going to search. Oh, we already have Google Translate, but you can as well search for the extension here. But over here, I'm going to be adding this to my Chrome so that I can translate that page very fast. Now this page is going to be translated so quick, and so let's just wait for this to be added. In no time we'll see download. You can see it has been added. Let me check if it's there. So we're going to move on to Google Translate. You can see from here we have the Google Translate. I'm going to click on it and we have this stuff all here. Now going back to that website. Now we want to translate this. We really want to know what this really do, and we want to see the language here so that we don't get confused, because we don't understand what this really mean. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to my extension and click on that translate and see what it gives me. So click on Google Translate here, click on it, then it's going to say translate this page, so you can click on translate this page. Then for you to even get the best of it, yes. So it's very simple. Let's go back there again and double click on it, 1, 2, and see what comes up. All right, let's just click on translate. There's nothing there. Just click on translate double time. You can see this is coming up. It's trying to tell you translated to English. That means you can select what you want. That is just the trick there. So change to the language you want and you are good to go. And I promise to give you a Canva Pro account from the beginning of this. So what you are going to do is chat me up so that you can get access, but ensure you subscribe to my channel and you like this video, and as well you share with your friends so that they can learn, and drop a good comment as well. Hit on the notification bell because these are required if I must give you a Canva Pro account. Now from here we can now select what we want. When you've selected that, you can see they are all changed to this. Now we can see we have film, we have this, we have jazz, we have all this, and then when you're good, you're going to save category. Then when you save category, you can see it's still at Amazon.de. At this place, we still have this page translated to French, and book title is gone. Oh yes, book title is gone. Then we're going to just paste that stuff. Better still, what I advise is go do your translation. Go do your choose your category first. When you're done, choose the category first. Let's say we select this category. This one, just save category. So let's just say we select this category. We're going to save that category. When you save it, then you can move on. You can move on directly because this is being translated. This is the original one. In case you want to see the original one, this is the original one. You can leave it. Then at your subtitle, just go back there, and add all of them in French. You see, we chose French. We didn't even choose German. So you're going to move on there and you're good to go. So over here now, you're going to just follow the step as I said in this video. Choose your category first, then move on to this place and fill everything you want to fill, because it seems that is the trick to get past all this. I believe this tutorial is helpful, and with the knowledge I've shared, you can be able to do that. So you can translate from here to any language, from English to any language. So you want to view this page in German, you can just move on to German here and see how it is in German. Then over here you can translate now, and it's going to change directly to German. Everything here will be written in German if you read Germany, but I'm not doing that, so we're going to just leave that there and just change to English. Thank you for watching this video, and as well thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll see you on the inside or on my DM.